Join me as I dive deep into the world of mining and take on the challenge of uncovering whether it's really destroying our planet with its massive energy consumption. The world of mining has been growing exponentially in recent years, driven by the increasing demand for precious resources like metals, minerals, and rare earth elements. As we continue to rely on these resources to power our modern lives, it's essential to examine the darker side of the industry and its ecological consequences. Mining is an energy-intensive process that's having a devastating impact on our planet. The sheer scale of energy consumption required to extract, process, and transport these resources is staggering. According to recent estimates, the mining industry alone accounts for around 10% of global energy consumption, which is more than the entire aviation industry. This massive energy demand is primarily met by fossil fuels, leading to significant greenhouse gas emissions and contributing to climate change. The energy consumption of mining isn't just an environmental issue, it's also a major economic concern. The cost of energy can account for up to 30% of a mining operation's total expenditure, making it a significant factor in the industry's profitability. As energy prices continue to rise, the mining industry is facing unprecedented pressure to reduce its energy consumption and carbon footprint. In addition to its energy consumption, mining activities also have a significant impact on local ecosystems and biodiversity. The extraction process can lead to habitat destruction, water pollution, and soil contamination, causing irreparable damage to the environment. The industry's reliance on fossil fuels also perpetuates our dependence on non-renewable energy sources, hindering our transition to a more sustainable future. There are various types of mining, each with its unique energy requirements and environmental implications. Coal mining, for instance, is one of the most energy-intensive forms of mining, with a significant portion of its energy coming from diesel generators. In contrast, gold mining relies heavily on electricity, which is often generated from fossil fuels. Then there's copper mining, which requires massive amounts of energy to operate its smelters and refineries. The energy sources used in mining have a direct impact on the environment. Fossil fuels, which are the primary energy source for mining, contribute to climate change, air pollution, and water pollution. Renewable energy sources, on the other hand, offer a cleaner alternative, but their adoption in the mining industry is still limited. As the industry continues to grow, it's essential to prioritize renewable energy sources and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. The environmental implications of mining are far-reaching and devastating. The industry is responsible for an estimated 28% of global carbon emissions, making it a significant contributor to climate change. The extraction and processing of minerals also lead to the depletion of natural resources, soil erosion, and water pollution. The consequences of mining are felt across the globe, from the Amazon rainforest to the Australian outback. Mining activities have a direct impact on local ecosystems and biodiversity. The destruction of habitats and ecosystems can lead to the loss of endangered species, disrupting the delicate balance of nature. The pollution of waterways and soil contamination can have long-lasting effects on the environment, making it difficult to restore ecosystems to their natural state. One of the most compelling examples of mining's impact on the environment is the case of the OK Tedi mine in Papua New Guinea. The mine, which is one of the largest copper and gold mines in the world, has been responsible for catastrophic environmental damage, including deforestation, water pollution, and soil contamination. The mine's operations have had a devastating impact on the local community, leading to the displacement of indigenous people and the destruction of their way of life. The evidence is clear. Mining is having a profound impact on our planet, and it's essential that we take action to mitigate its effects. The industry must adopt sustainable practices, reduce its energy consumption, and prioritize renewable energy sources. As consumers, we must be aware of the environmental cost of the products we use and demand more sustainable practices from the companies we support. In conclusion, the mining industry's massive energy consumption is having a devastating impact on our planet. It's essential that we raise awareness about the ecological consequences of mining and encourage responsible practices in the industry. Remember to share your thoughts on mining's impact in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the topic, be sure to check out our video on the sustainable mining practices of the future.